Want the perfect summer setup for chilling by the pool or in the backyard, soaking up some sun? Well, then let me introduce to you the Purple Leaf Aluminum Chaise Lounge Set. And trust me, you're going to want these beautiful chairs in your backyard. You can see that this set is really built to last, with a rust-resistant, powder-coated aluminum frame that handles all of the weather. Rain, sun, wind, UV rays, they take it like a champ. The textiline fabric with a sponge filling is the cherry on top. Quick drying, UV resistant, and so surprisingly comfortable. They're adjustable with 5 reclining positions, so you can lounge flat, sit upright, or nap in the perfect angle. The built-in wheels let me scoot these chairs around exactly where the sun shines, or where the shade's at, depending on how you feel. Whether you're entertaining, reading, or lounging solo with a cold drink, this set is so practical, stylish, and really actually luxurious. The beige color is beautifully paired with the clean lines, which just really elevates the backyard space. Built tough and lightweight, adjustable comfort for lounging. Moves easily thanks to the wheels. Looks effortlessly modern and chic in my backyard. I love how these chairs turn my patio into a little mini resort. It's time for you to upgrade your outdoor lounging, because lounging should look good and feel even better. Definitely check out these and many other beautiful designs, all from Purple Leaf.